Empty glasses on the table, confetti stuck to my shoes, phone full of broken plans, screenshots I never use. You were laughing in October, I was tired in July. Whole year felt like fast forward, didn't even say goodbye. Raise that countdown, let it hit. Hello, hello 26. Hello, hello 26. All the words I held back, all the times I said I'm fine while I was splitting in half. Now I'm writing on a napkin, little promises and ink. Call my friends, forgive myself, take the leap before I think. Oh yeah. Goodbye 27, I'm done surviving just to survive. Raise that countdown, let it hit. Hello, hello 26. Hello, I'm done pretending I'm done with blame, mate. I'm done with waiting 7, saying my own name 6 and 5. I'm breathing 4, I feel the shift 3. I choose my future 2, I let you drift.
1, let it go so it can stick.